there's lots of fires, and also there's gonna be a lot of flooding and into the United States, and lots of snow for the California. The the flooding it is going on with the northeastward to Maryland. There's gonna be big problem for the Maryland region. This is going on after this intro. This is extreme weather over here. We actually going to see still that very above average temperature still going on around the Great Lakes region, because was moving a little bit like the not like a little bit western area, but it's a little bit same area as before. That's what it is going on over time. So why I'm still on like the no pain rate, the model. The European model I was going to say, because it is that because it's on the NAM there's not lots of things, but like on like the HR model there's like something a little happening in a little bit in Texas. A little bit fire is going to very soon start at like not a long time ago, but still going to slowly burn down by the little smoke. But headline about that, and it will gonna be left over of it. But it's gonna be, we'll see, will be more than one, a little bit of fire in the area. Who knows about it, because it's very dry and it could be a little bit hot Arizona and Texas. The meanwhile, but there's a little bit flooding in the northeast world, because it's just gonna be a lot of precipitation. And inside that low pressure forming, we need to go to the around like 6 hours to see the product evacuation for it, for the flooding. Like it's going to start as on the 18th at 1 a.m. on the 18th. There's gonna be a little bit storm, but it's leaving a little bit quickly, but that's not big deal until the second storm on the 20th. The second one will bring the little bit snow on the northeastward, but a little bit of flooding problem on the coastline areas, because there's lots of heating. The problem it is happening. That's why it's a little bit warmer, but it's a little bit cooler in the average of temperature. That's what is going on about it. But look like it's going to be a little bit, not going to be a little bit windier in the northeast. Maybe never, but on like on that snowstorm, or like on the 15th, there's going to be a little bit windy gust here. Like some areas going to get to around like 72 per hours. By Colorado region, and heads towards a little bit like northeastward direction, and then will be done for it, and so socialize about the how many precipitation could cause a little bit of flooding. This was going to be the western snowstorm still going on, but it's slowly going changing direction. But it's going to be moving in north in Canada, and then going to be going, then it's going away from us, the United States, and it will just moving eastward because there's lots of high pressure in the way. How much for the snow falls, you might ask? Just keep eye on it for it. There some is very, very heavy snow, round like 79 snow bars minimal for it. Very much snow. But that snow will going dissipating to the eastward, combined with flooding in the coastal region around the best snow for the northeast around New York. You have lots of snow, but you have a little the big curve. What is going on with that big curve? There's a lot of different reasons. I'm meaning there's lots of different things, like how much dry air and also a little bit how much snow, but is how much cold air is a little bit warmer. But between those boundaries about it, and then there's another major snowstorm by it, and then suddenly you have very dry air in the North Canada going hit the eastward. That's why we are caused by those slow snowstorm. But when you have behind that very moisture in the atmosphere is giving time and year, because there's lots of changes over average, and also about the average temperature. There's a lot of different ingredients for it to very high, very, very hot air rise. And behind that, little cold air. That's why we are a little bit seeking area to see it, what it is going on during it. Speaking of those fires and the dry air, to see those, but those still going on, but you see some states having a little fire issues, like in California and also like all the way to Florida. That's what is going on. But this is December 3rd, but there are not lots of things are current too. But I try to find it what is going on right now, but it's really hard. It's not easy for like weather to see it what is going on for year round. Because I was trying to also show you what was going on with the dry air. It's just very quickly moving to the eastward, and then hopefully enough time to bring that dry air to the northern Canada and also the eastward. There's not a lot of easy things about to be a meteorologist. Trying to keep you guys everything new things going on for you joy about it. It's not easy coming like a YouTuber, but hopefully you enjoy this video This is extreme weather area here.